Mountain Pastures sent me this Immortelle Elven cream to compare and share. And I have to say right away, I'm impressed with it. So what I did the hand test. So I always do the hand test, and I'm going to show it to you here. And you can see, of course, anytime you add hydration, you're going to get less wrinkles. But what I love about this is that I will use this at night, right before I go to bed, as almost a face mask at night. And it really just soaks in. It makes it super hydrating. I wake up in the morning and I don't have quite as many wrinkles from like sleeping on my pillow and stuff. That's the first thing I noticed. It soaks in really nice. It's not greasy. This company is, it's family owned, and so they're very particular about the ingredients. And one of the ingredients in this is a helichrysum, which is an essential oil that is phenomenal for anti-aging. It is well known in the essential oil industry, which I'm pretty familiar with. So I was very excited when I saw that that was one of their ingredients. But there's no weird smell. There's no harsh chemicals. Everything's natural. Of course, not tested in animals, and it just goes on super smooth and gives my face just a great glow when I wake up in the morning. So I love using this. It's a great product, great company. Thanks for sharing.